Never ever, I repeat, never ever neglect mentorship. Your mentor is able to show you the shortcuts to building whatever you are building an online business, building two businesses, getting that positive ROI, seeing that transformation, the results you desire, the results you deserve. Get a mentor as soon as possible. This can transform your life, your business results, instead of you wasting years of figuring things out and doing things on your own. A mentor has experienced and explored, tested and tried and failed in many businesses before they actually got actual results. So why not you make things easier for yourself? Time leverage, right? So get that mentor that can teach, inspire, motivate, empower you to never give up, for you to get faster results. Thank you and you're welcome.